life.
A piglet lunchbox, a tiny compass, a notebook with a playful kitten, and a calligraphy set? Check out how to make the most realistic mini school supplies in our new video. First, you need colored pieces of paper, foam paper, and transparent plastic. Apply the plastic to the sheet with a shape drawn on it. Cut the plastic and the sheet of paper following that shape. You should get a small cup. Glue the plastic to the paper. Cut out cream and a heart from foam paper. Add yummy details to the cup. Glue the pieces together using Elmer's glue. Wrap the tiny paper notebook in scrapbook paper. Fasten the decorations. This way your mini pencils will comfortably fit in the heart pocket. Whenever you need it, take out the pencil and write down whatever you need. Very convenient! We'll tell you what you can make from an old contact lens case. Carefully cut one of the containers in a circle. Trim the edge. Cover one of the sides with red nail polish. Take light pink modeling clay. Cover the container from the other side. Fasten a pink pig nose. Press the holes through using a stick. Make nostrils and black eyes. Attach triangular ears. The result is a mini lunchbox for school. Put donuts in it. This lunchbox is not very big, but that's great if you're trying to eat light. And now you need a straw and a knife. Shorten the straw and cut the edge at an acute angle. Make a notch. Cut off the edge from a plastic pipette. Insert the straw into the pipette. Mark the diameter of the pipette and cut out a foam paper circle. Take another pipette. Cut off the edges. Make plugs from foam paper. Pour ink into the pipette. Lower a pen in ink and write neat letters. Calligraphy doesn't just help you write beautifully, but also helps develop your creativity. For the next life hack, take a piece of transparent plastic. Glue coffee sticks around the perimeter. Cover the board with white paint. Fasten 2 sticks using super glue. Glue the horizontal stand. Fasten 2 more sticks as the support. Cut off a piece of foam rubber. We will use it instead of an eraser. Now you have a marker board with all the necessary accessories. That's a great result! And now you need a paper clip. Unbend the clip in a straight line. Bend the ends with the pliers. Bend it in the center. Make 3 parts from black air-dry clay. Join the pieces. Cut out wings using scissors. Fasten a long neck to the body. Sculpt clay balls along the length of the spine. Fasten a bent clip to the chest. Attach the head. Fasten clay balls at the ends of the clip. Draw yellow eyes and white claws on the feet. Suddenly, a small dragon burst into the world of mini office supplies. Your new pet will serve as an excellent book stand. And for the next life hack, you need a piece of cardboard. Cut it in half. Cut a strip from a sheet of foam paper. Glue the pieces of cardboard to the foam paper. Use Elmer's glue. Cut off the excess. Draw a cat's face on black foam paper using a pencil. Cut it out. Fasten the cat to the foam paper using Elmer's glue. Glue pink middles of the ears and nose. Fasten lemon eyes. Draw vertical pupils. Take white and red sheets of paper. Cut out the pieces and staple them in the middle. Glue them inside the cover. Fasten a tongue. The kitty on the cover is a real tough cookie, but this sketchbook looks even funnier this way. For the next idea, you will need coffee sticks. Cut them. Crop the edge, forming a sharp corner. Pierce the holes using drawing pins. Attach the sticks with a pin. Cut off the edge using pliers. Cover the free end with a bead. Fasten a needle to the end of the stick. Use super glue. Take a graphite rod. Fasten the rod to the second stick. Next, you need silicone elastic bands. Reel the elastic bands on the compass. Decorate it with colored tape. Now you know how to make mini compasses from scratch. It's as easy to draw circles with it as it would be with an ordinary one. Next, take a piece of white foam paper. Cut out 2 clouds. Take multicolored threads. Fasten them between the clouds. Use Elmer's glue. Fasten pearl cheeks. Draw eyebrows and a smile. Decorate the threads with flowers. Glue a ring with a spring hook. The result is an interesting pendant for a notebook. Hang the ring on the cloud. Such a funny rainbow decoration will make even the ugliest notebook attractive. For another idea, you will need a piece of colored cardboard and a piece of foil cardboard. Glue the pieces together using Elmer's glue. Bend them in half. Take a paper clip. Unbend it. Bend the edge. Cut the paper clip using pliers. The result is hooks like these. Glue them into a folder. Take a pile of sheets. Punch holes along the edge. Fasten the sheets to the folder. Add a sheet with stickers. A file folder for papers is ready. Budget-friendly and very easy. For another idea, take some coffee sticks and skewers. Cut them into pieces. You will need 4 skewers and 4 sticks. Hot glue the skewers on the stick. String beads on the horizontal bars. Make a frame from the remaining sticks. You got a bright mini abacus! You can easily do all your math homework with this abacus. Let's try another creative idea. You will need foam paper. Using a ruler, draw a figure like this. Mark the place of the notch. Cut the figure out. Glue a zipper in the slot. Use Elmer's glue. Glue the sides together. Make 2 small cuts along the edges. Insert an elastic band into the cuts. Secure it with glue. Fasten a bright pocket. Put everything you need in this purse. Put the elastic band on your hand. With this mini bag on your wrist, school will become even easier. And everything you need will always be on hand. Next, we'll tell you what you can do with a piece of polymer clay. Roll out the clay with a rolling pin. Cut a strip with a scalpel or knife. Gently pick up the clay with the blade and remove it from the board. Next, cut out a triangle. Cut through the center of the triangle. Mark and cut out a protractor. Lay out the product on parchment paper and put it in the oven. Apply the markup on the hardened clay. The rulers turned out so tiny that they fit easily on the palm of your hand. The perfect size for a mini office set. And now take a pen. Remove the rubber part. Take out the cap from the pen. Coat it with Elmer's glue. Glue the pieces together. Insert a pipette and fill with hot glue. Crop it. Squeeze out some hot glue and dip a thin stick in it. Let the glue thread dry and then cut it. Fasten the tip of the skewer to the edge of the glue thread. Paint it with red nail polish. Insert it in the pipette. Secure the thread. The result is a miniature water bottle. It looks very stylish. Did you like our life hacks for mini office supplies? Which of these crafts did you find most interesting? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell to receive notifications about new videos on Troom Select.